Ways you can make sounds with the jaw harp, different sounds, is one is ways using your tongue to push it forward, push your tongue forward and back. So pushing your tongue forward makes a higher pitch sound, pushing it back makes a lower sound. Basically all you're doing. That's how you make a wiggle sound too. You go back and forth. So high pitch forward. Low pitch back. Wiggle. And another way is to simply breathe. That will create a vibration sound. So breathe in and out. Just combine that to make all different types of fun noises.